pandemic. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I pay my respects and salam to everyone around the world. As we all know, the coronavirus is everywhere. It's the top headlines of the news. It's the top headlines of the news on your phone, and it's on the browser. It's everywhere. How are you all coping with the coronavirus? Today, I will be sharing my feelings about the coronavirus. Point 1. If you look at the positive side of the coronavirus, it is actually a blessing. Why is it a blessing? The reason why the coronavirus is a blessing is because you can spend more valuable time with your family, and you can rebuild your bond of relationship that you could not have built it when you were in your normal hard-working life. Point 2. You also have more time to strengthen your relationship with your Almighty Lord and seek forgiveness for Him in these special months. Point 3. As we all know, sadly there are many deaths due to the coronavirus, and I feel very sorry for the people who have lost their beloved ones. And that just tells us that one day we all will go from this world, so we have to prepare ourselves. Point 4. Some people are also struggling financially because they do not have enough money to buy some food for themselves or to even survive, because they don't have the jobs, and also it is on lockdown. So we should help them a lot. Point 5. Some people in the world are suffering due to food loss, and most people in this world are stacking up their houses full of food, which I think is not good akhlaq, because as a Muslim we should share with everyone and care for them, because Islam teaches us to share and respect everyone. So just like sharing is caring, as we all know. How are you all coping with the coronavirus pandemic?